Hello friends, today I'll show how to remove MI apps in your mobile. So first of all go to settings and about phone. Click on 7 times in if you have MIUI or build number. Click on 7 times, then you should see enable developer option, then go to additional settings. Here you should see developer options. So scroll down, enable USB debugging and install via USB, all these three settings. After that just plug in your device to the PC, then open your browser and type ADB platform and go to this website. If you want, I will give this link in description also. In here, come here, you can download for Windows, Mac or Linux. So if you download this folder, after downloading that zip file, extract that folder. So I already downloaded that folder. Let me go that folder. So this is a folder. Here come, just copy the path and open CMD as run as administrator. Then I'm gonna close this. Now type ADB. First of all we have to go to that folder. So if it is in C folder, you can directly CD and paste that path and you can go that folder. Otherwise, if it is in another drive, just give the driver letter. So it is D, so I'm giving D, then CD. So paste the path, so Control V to paste that. After that, now you need to type ADB devices, so to see which devices are connected. So if you don't not see this device, if you see unauthorized, then you open your phone and it will ask for permission, then click on OK. Still also it is not showing, then you should type ADB kill server, and then after entering kill server, then start server, then again you type ADB devices, then you should see like this device and device name. Then you need to type ADB shell. So ADB shell. So I'm opening another to see that which apps I am removing. So first of all, after typing ADB shell, so to list pm list packages, you could type the command. You could see all the packages are here. So if you want to remove MI app, like, so I will show. So I already removed most of my apps. Let me show you. I don't have MI browser and Chrome also, so I don't use FM. So I'm going to remove FM, so we can't disable here. So if you can go I information, you can see app name, so you could use this one, or you can search in here also, type pm list packages, then this pipe command grep. So if you want FM, type FM, so it will show FM services packages. So copy that, so copy that. So to copy, Control Shift C. So after copying that, you need to type pm uninstall and paste that. So it is not copied. Okay, I'm gonna copy again. Control C this time. So okay, right click to paste. So then you can see Okay, I given wrong spelling. Uninstall. So if you see this failure internal, then you need to type pm uninstall user. So hyphen user 0, then you need to paste that. So you can see now successful. Now we have go and open to check that it is really uninstalled. So I go back. So you can see here no FM radio. So I don't use theme also. I'm going to remove themes also. So we can uninstall updates, but we cannot remove this app. So going here, so I'm gonna search here previous command list grip theme. Then you could see theme managers. Okay, these are interlinked. If you remove the theme app, maybe it may be crash. So I'm not gonna remove this. So I'm not gonna use recorder. So I'm gonna remove recorder. Going hyphen. So just wanna type pm. So list again. In here grip recorder. So you could see MIUI recorder. If you remove this unused apps, you can save much battery life. So I'm gonna previous commands remove this line and paste this. You could see success. Now go back, see no recorder is there. So recorder is still there. Okay, I removed screen recorder. You could see. So I'm gonna anyway I don't use screen recorder also. So now I'm gonna remove sound recorder. So sound recorder, that's it. Now you could see sound recorder also gone. That's it friends for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.